First setting the Activetrack to follow from behind close for the Mini 4 Pro, and then launch the Neo that I've set via the phone to follow flat and far. An open area to the right, so I'll select the Mini 4 Pro to follow from the right. Getting tighter, so I'll let the Mini 4 Pro follow from back. Mini 4 Pro is losing me. But the Neo follows as a horsefly. I have to stop to bring the Mini 4 Pro back. Here I should have updated the home point and brought up the map so I can see which direction the drone actually was. Anyway, going up and find myself. It detects me, so I just select myself. Good control of the Mini 4 Pro, so therefore I take down the Neo. And then I hand catch the Mini 4 Pro because it's too much gravel and grass to land. Starting up using Activetrack Auto, this could be fun. Yeah, close. Look in the obstruction sensor view. Okay, have to bring it back again. Now I start following from the right. Fiddling a little bit, trying to find the close behind, but eventually manage it. Another close call. And another. This could have ended bad. Bringing it closer and lower. During the hike I had to lower the Mini 4 Pro a couple of times.